10 Unknown Facts about Sanskruti Balgude. First, Sanskruti Balgude is an Indian actress primarily recognized for her contributions to the Marathi language film and television industry. Second, Sanskruti Balgude was born on 19th December 1992 in Pune, Maharashtra, India. She grew up in the city where her family resided. Third, Sanskruti Balgude completed her schooling at Symbiosis Secondary School in Pune. She later pursued higher education at Sir Parshuram Bhau SP College in Pune, where she earned a Bachelor of Arts degree. Fourth, her father is Sanjay Balgude and her mother is Sanjini Balgude. She has a younger brother named Samarth Balgude who secured the 42nd rank in the Maharashtra Public Service Commission MPSC exam in 2025. The family maintains a close-knit bond as evidenced by public celebrations such as their parents' 30th wedding anniversary in 2022. Fifth, Sanskruti Balgude began her television career at the age of 18 with her debut in the Zee Marathi serial Pinjra 2011 to 2012. Sixth, following her debut, Balgude took on a supporting role as Mukta in the family drama Vivaha Bandhan 2013 to 2014, aired on ETV Marathi, which further solidified her presence in Marathi television serials. Seventh, she also appeared in Challosh Suvarna Yugacha on ETV Marathi. After a period focused on films, she returned to television in 2021 as the host of the dance reality show मी होणार सुपरस्टार जल्लोष डान्सचा on Star Pravaha, where her formal training in Bharatnatyam enhanced her engaging on-screen presence. Eighth, Sanskruti Balgude made her film debut in 2014 with the Marathi comedy drama Makdaचं लगीन, where she portrayed the character Gauri in a minor supporting role. Ninth, in the subsequent years from 2014 to 2016, she took on varied roles across genres, including Mohini in the drama Sangto Aika 2014, the lead Ishika in the romantic thriller Shortcut 2015, a part in the horror film Shinma 2015, and supporting roles in the family drama Damleल्या बाबाची कहाणी 2016 and the action movie Nivdunga 2016. Tenth, in 2022, Balgude made a brief appearance in web series Date with making her entry into digital television formats with a romantic anthology exploring unique dating scenarios. Subscribe the channel.